Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up any phone, especially Android phone. So this is what you are going to do if your phone is kind of slow. You can go to your phone settings and enable the developer option. So go to settings. You can click on the search column in here and find the build number, or you can also just go find it in here. You can just scroll down, and then here you can go to about phone, click on the software informations, and now click on this build number a few times up to 5 or 6 times. Okay, and after that, here you need to enter your pin. Click on enter, and now I'm on the developer options or developer mode. So what you need to do in here is just go to the developer options. So you need to go to the systems in here. You can scroll down and find developer options, and then scroll down again until you find this one's right here. Let's scroll down. Okay, these three right here: window animation scale, transition, and also animator duration scale. So you need to click on each options and turn the animation off, or turn it into a very small one. You can just choose which one. I'm going to just turn it off, all of them. Now after it's off, your phone will be speed up, and I hope it will solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.